Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep, coming at you today with an ACT math question. Woo! This was question 30 from ACT 59F. Now right there, pause it, pause the video. Why not take a crack at it yourself? And then when you're done, you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. Could be good. All right, let's get in there. It reads, to increase the mean of four numbers by 2, by how much would the sum of the four numbers have to increase? Ugh. Well, this sounds kind of hypothetical and stuff, and I don't want it to be. So I'm just going to pick numbers. To increase the mean of four numbers by 2. All right, why don't I pick four numbers? They are 2, and 2, and 2, and 2. Is that 4 2s? Yeah. Great. So the mean right now is 2, and I know that mean equals the sum over the number of numbers. Whenever you're dealing with average, aka arithmetic mean on a problem, you have those three components. You have the average, mean, the sum, and the number of numbers. So let's see what's changing here. Right now the mean is 2, and the sum is 8, and the number of numbers is 4. Everything checks out. Now we want to increase the mean by 2. Okay, well let's see. Then the mean would be 4, and the number of numbers would still be 4. So what would the new sum be? Well, the new sum would be 16. The sum used to be 8, and now it's 16. Cool. So then, what are they asking? By how much would the sum of the four numbers have to increase? 8. And it's right there in J. Again, we see that the test is proposing that you approach the question hypothetically, right? Trying to wrap your head around how do these numbers interact with one another? We don't have to do it that way. You can make it a real situation. Just pick four numbers. And then you figure out what the sum is, what the mean is. And then we manipulated that mean to see, all right, how would things change if the mean had to go up by 2? And we saw. Wasn't so bad. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.